The chartjs-keyboard plugin adds keyboard navigation to chartjs library. It provides a few navigation strategies. For example, data first allows to move through dataset from data item to data item and move to another dataset on corner items. If use a different navigation strategies, we can see that behavior is changing too. Also, the plugin support right-to-left direction that can be useful in some localization cases. I believe that it allows to provide a better user experience and cover more business goals. To find more information possible in description. Also, it is possible to test the plugin through demo application.